All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $173.58 with the goods all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $4.10. And as always, when I give you these breakdowns, that total includes a tax. So got to keep it real on these coupon boasts here, real accurate. This is for the week of February 2nd to February 8th, or February 1st to February 7th if you live out of the state of Florida. I'm down in south part of Florida, so this is the first day of the sale, Thursday. I'll be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you get these deals right off and do these deals the rest of the week. So because some of these deals will go away. Also trying to build my channel up. Hit that like button. Oh boy, let's get into this haul here. This one transaction, no category coupon, still money maker. And let's get right into it. I got 15 or so best deals. And yes, this haul heist is sponsored by Tena pads. Yes, once again, a good money maker. Now, if you were with me a couple weeks ago, it was like, I posted a video. It's like a one-day thing where you got the Tena pads for free, and I said, don't worry, hang in there, because if you follow my channel, you'll get these. And here we go. Yeah, you got a big money maker on the Tena pads. And as I said, use that money maker, to pay for your other groceries and stuff like that. Use the money makers to pay for your other groceries here. So get into the breakdown here of the Tena pads. What I did is I bought 6 of them. There's 3 different sizes. You got the small ones, like a 30 count. You got the maximum, which is a 14 count, and I bought them all different varieties of them, but the medium moderate one is a 20 count, and so regular price for these guys, $5.99 each. So I bought 6 of them. When you factor the tax, came to $38.05. There is a manufacturer printable. I got the link and a detailed breakdown below the video. Just hit that more button. But this is a manufacturer printable coupon from the coupons.com website. I printed off 6 of these, so that's $3 off times 6. It allows 2 per phone number, so you might need 2 other people with phone number to print them off, or 3 devices, or whatever you want to look at it. But I printed off 6 of these, so it's $3 off. That's 3 times 6 is $18 off. Then I used 3 of these store coupons. That is $5 from the Extra Savings book, the store coupons in the front of the store, in the green and white store coupon book, Extra Savings book. This is $5 off of any 2, so I used 3 of these. That was $15 more to the good. You can also use this from the Smart Source January 29. These do scan, but the verbiage on there, I don't think it includes these, but it does work and does scan. So if you have that and want to use that, you can. Then also coupons.com, if and or but, had $3 back. I noticed this one was the one that scanned, that form, so make sure you get one of these in the mix if you want to use the coupons.com app. So that was $3 more to the good. There is a reward. If you spend $30, there is a rebate. Actually, it comes to you as a gift card. A Visa gift card, and you use it. You can use it at Publix to pay for your stuff. So that's $10 more to the good. So $38.05 spent. $18 from the manufacturer printable, $15 from the store coupon, $3 from the coupons.com app, and $10 from the Activate Rewards. This is a $7.95 overage money maker on those guys right there. And then Enlightened Fit yogurt. It's just $1.50 for these guys. There's a Publix digital coupon for a free one. That's your digital coupon is your your Publix account. You just enter in your phone number at the register. Takes $1.50 off, and then Ibotta has 75 cents back on this, so it's a 75-cent overage because you got it for free, and 75-cent overage. No tax on food here in Florida, so there's no tax on that. $1.50. Little Critters vitamins, also no tax on healthcare items here in Florida, so that was $6.49 for this guy. And there is a Publix digital coupon that for $2 off. Take $2 to the goods. There's an Ibotta rebate for $3.50 back, so that's $3.50 to the good. Only making that only 99 cents. Now, one time when I bought these, it actually counted as 2 of the vitamins, so I got $7 back instead of $3.50. So that was really good. But unfortunately, this one was just the $3.50. Still made that only 99 cents. All right, Yakult, probiotic. Publix digital coupon for a free one. So these are starting, they were kind of out, but I found this one, $3.39 for this guy, and Publix digital coupon for a free one, no tax here in Florida. Took $3.39 off, made that totally free. So a lot of Publix digital coupons for free ones, as the Starry one too. Still available. I don't know if it's still on there, but I still had it in my account. It's $2.19, factor the tax. It's $2.35 for this guy. There, it does take $2.19 off, so you pay only 16 cents for that guy right there. Or yeah, 16 cents. Just paying the tax on that. Kate's Energy, another Publix freebie. This isn't in all the accounts, but I did have one that had it. It's $2.50. $2.50 off. It makes that completely free. A lot of just free Publix digital coupons for a free one. There's actually a new store coupon booklet that just said, hey, there was like one store coupon in there, and the rest of them were just, hey, use our Publix digital coupon. So they're trying to veer people to get their Publix digital coupon, and believe me, it's working. All these employees that are using these Publix digital coupons, it's very simple, very easy. So as you know, as couponers, good culture, sour cream. I think Saving with Sarah would be happy about this one because she uses Merrifield a lot. But this is good culture sour cream. These are just regular price. They're 2 for $6, or $3 each, so $6 spent. There is a Blinky for $1 off of any Good Culture cottage cheese or sour cream. So it is a manufacturer coupon. It's totally weird that that's locked out, but yeah, there's the barcode. So manufacturer coupon for that as a Blinky right there. So that took $1 off. I used 2 of those. That was $2 off. Merrifield has $1 back on each, or 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, and then 5% as well, which is equivalent to about 30 cents. So $1.70 spent for those guys total. All right, Oikos here is regular price for these at my store were $5.29 each. So for 4 of them, cost me $21.16. However, they're BOGO, so this is the way I did it. I bought 4 of them. And that came to, since they're BOGO, came to $5.29 times 2, which was $10.58. There's a Blinky coupon right there. There was a lot of them, and that takes $1 off. So I used 4 of those. That was $4 to the good. There, Ibotta also has $4, or it has $1 back on each one, so that's another $4 to good. Ibotta, any item for 10 cents. Any yogurt, I believe. I got 10 more cents, and there's a Publix digital coupon. This was Kayla Coupons. Glitched this one or found this one. I probably would have found it anyways because I got all my Publix digital coupons clipped. So it probably would have came off myself. But maybe I would have only bought 2. So she definitely helped here. So this was $5 off of any, off of $20 in Dannon products. So I guess this is a Dannon product. I kind of, yeah, it is a Dannon product. Regardless, it glitched. It came off. So that was $5 off right there, and they're BOGO, so it was only 10, but it does ring up each one, so you are over $20, or I guess, or the computer read it like that. Anyways, I wasn't gonna argue. Came off, so that was $5 more to the good. So that made these 4. When you buy 4 of them, and you use the Blinky coupons, and you use Ibotta, and you use that digital coupon, this is a $2.52 overage on these guys right here. All right, Rachel Ray Soup Bones. These are regular price $3.49. So for 2 of them, it cost you $7.50. However, they're BOGO, so it's $3.49 plus tax, which costs $3.75. There's a manufacturer printable. I don't have it on the table here, but that's $1 off of each bag. So made these guys only $1.75 total for both of them. Now I have the link to print that below. The just hit the more button and you'll see my breakdown. I'm going to try to do it on a Google Docs. I got to learn how to do that. But Google Docs, if you need it, send me a comment, and I could email it to you, and you can print it out. I believe you can just probably copy and paste it and print it out. But detailed breakdown below, as well as links to print all the coupons below. All right, Compeed blister. Regular price for this, $9.99. However, it's on sale for $7.99 from the Save January 15th. There is a $5 off manufacturer coupon that takes $5 off. There is also a Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back. So $7.99 spent, no tax here in Florida on that healthcare item. So I like that. It's $5 from the manufacturer coupon, $2.50 from Ibotta, making that only 49 cents for that guy. Earwick Essential Kit. This is another good one here. Regular price $12.99 for this guy. So when you factor the tax, came to $13.96. I had a Publix digital coupon for $5.50 off, so that came off. Ibotta has $6 rebate for that guy, so it's $6 to good. And coupons.com also had and or $5.50 off. Now, you might not have that in your coupons.com. I had it because hopefully you're following my channel and you have all your coupons.com rebates clipped, all your Ibotta rebates clipped, all your Publix digital coupons clipped. As I said, clip everything. Clip everything. That way stuff doesn't really fall off and stuff comes off that you're not expecting. You'll be surprised. So regardless, $13.96 spent, $5.50 from the Publix digital coupon, $6 from Ibotta, $5.50 from coupons.com rebate, made that a $3.04 overage. All right, fast twitch. This is by the Gatorade. The regular price for this guy is $2.99, so factor the tax, $3.21. And there is a Publix digital coupon for a free one. It's on sale for $2.50, so that came to $2.69 with tax. $2.50 came off from the free Publix digital coupon, making that only 99 cents. If I drink this, I think I'm gonna. Will I wake up my fast twitch muscle? You're talking to a tennis player, played professional tennis. Nothing. I was nothing special, but damn, I could really move on the tennis court. That has been taken away from me as my age has gone up. I cannot move like I used to. So hopefully this will make me just move like I was like 20 years younger. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, buy the Gatorade, made it only 19 cents. There's also So Delicious. It was out at my store, but there is, it's kind of by this guy, $1.99, and there is a Publix digital coupon that takes $1.99. So I'll be back, Publix, to get that free So Delicious, So Delicious Simply yogurt. And I did get it a couple videos ago. All right, Haig, the old Haig. Haig hummus. All right, so these are regular price $4.99. So for two of them will cost you $9.98. However, they're BOGO, so you get both of them for $4.99. There's a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. Sorry, there's an Ibotta rebate that takes $2 off, limited to $2 back and $2 back. Made them only 99 cents for both of those. Moola milk. Moola, like the money, Moola, or a cow, Moola. I believe it's banana milk here, so some people don't really like it. Me, I drink anything. So regular price $4.99 for this guy. So for two of them, it costs $9.98. They're BOGO this week, so $4.99 for both of them. There is a manufacturer printable coupon that takes $1 off. So I printed out two of those. I got the link to print that below. I don't have the coupon on the table. I got half the coupon. I mean, I'm not gonna reprint it because it wastes so much ink for one coupon. It's like a full color page. Thank you very much, my ink. Oh, eBay. I'll be buying more ink. So $1 and $1. Worst deal on the table. $4.99 spent, $1 off, and $1 off from two manufacturer printable coupons, making them only $2.99 for both of those. Worst deal on the table, but hey, gonna get some more deals for you guys here. Oh, all right, Noosa. No Sayo. No, I don't know. No, Nasoya. Nasoya, like soy milk, I guess, or plant-based. This is in the produce section with all the other plant-based stuff. So tofu here, huh? Tofu baked. So regular. I'm gonna eat it. Don't worry. Regular price for this is $4.99. So for both of them, $9.98. They're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $4.99. Merrifield has 1,500 Merrifield points, which are equivalent to $3. It also has 5% back on this product. It did not go, but then I scanned it and corrected my receipt, and it went through. So that was $3.50 to the good, $4.99, $3 from the Merrifield, and then about 50 cents, I guess, from the 5% from the Merrifield. I don't know if that's right, but $1.49 for this guy approximately for both of those. Royal Rice, these are regular $2.19 each, so that'd be $4.38 for two of them. However, they're on sale 3 for $5. I got two different ones, so I was charged $1.67 for each one. So you can do a 1 cent better than me on these if you bought two of the same. Make sure you get the right ones. Make sure you scan your Ibotta, but the garlic and G. Yellow rice, these are both $1.67 each, $1 off and $1 off from Ibotta. Made them only 67 cents each, or $1.34 total. All right, let's get some money makers. One a day. Okay, here we go. One a day, men's 60 count. So regular price, $8.29. There is a Publix store coupon. I believe there's a Publix digital coupon as well, but Publix store coupon takes $3 off. There's a $3 manufacturer printable coupon from the coupons.com website that takes $3 off. There's also, I used from the from the Smart Source, January 29th. There's a $3 off. I should have that on the table, but I don't. $3 off manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source, January 29th. And there is also $3 back from coupons.com. 2,000 fetch points on this, so that's $2 to the good plus a little more, so it's about $2.10. And ibotta has any item, so that was a $2.91 overage for this guy right here. So $8.29, basically break it down again. $8.29 regular price, $3 from the manufacturer printable, $3 from the store coupon, $3 from coupons.com, $2.10 from fetch, and 10 cents from ibotta any vitamin. Make that $2.91 overage. All right, too good. This actually did not come off in my Publix account, but they pushed it through. So regular price for this guy, $1.89. Publix digital coupon for an absolutely free one. Took $1.89 off, made that $0.00. I mean, I'm usually working up to something. This time I was not working up to something. What else we got? All right, last thing. Second last thing. Nature made Pottasium, another moneymaker here. It's regular price for this guy, $4.99. His Publix digital coupon takes $3 off. Publix store coupon also gives you $3 back from the extra savings book. So $4.99 spent, $3 off, and $3 off. That's $1.01 overage. And finally, the Flintstone gummies. So regular price for this guy, $7.99 from the Smart Source. I believe coupons.com. You can also print it, but and maybe a Publix digital coupon. But I use this one from the January 29th Smart Source. I mean, these are the most legit. The cashier just, they scan this. They don't even read it. They see it's, when you got the printables and they're, oh, this is copied, and then you, oh no, they all got a different pin. No, you know, this one they just scan. They might read it's a limit of 4, whatever. But $3 to the good on that. Then you combine that with this store coupon, $3 to the good on that. I believe it says Flintstone. Wait a minute, 60 count. Yeah, so we're good. 60, 70 count. So $7.99 spent, $3 from the manufacturer coupon from this Smart Source, January 29th, $3 from the store coupon, making that only $1.99. And yeah, that's it. No combination. I usually like that spend 50, get 10 off or something like that. Hopefully I could have dealed that. I would have had a better, I'm waiting for those to come out again, but I've used a ton of those already this year. All right, once again, $173 plus and over $4 money maker. Once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy. Hit that like button, help my channel out, and everybody enjoy their couponing this week.